Welcome back. Before proceeding further with other number of advanced demos, I just want to share a comparison sheet related to the VMware ESXi different versions. So right now we have three versions: vSphere 6.0, vSphere 6.5, while vSphere 6.7, on which right now we are working. Before these versions, there are other versions also available, which include 5.0, 5.5, and previous versions. If you want to get detail for those versions, the detailed document is also attached with this training program. So you can go through all the documents and get more detailed information if you are interested. Here you can see, I just want to discuss the major options related to the features of the ESXi 6.7. Here you can see the more attractive option related to the performance optimization, which introduces for the first time in ESXi 6.7, is called non-volatile memory. It's also known as persistent memory, or in a short form we call it PMEM. Due to this feature, the performance of ESXi host and virtual machines increases amazingly, and its support is also in a larger amount. It's 1 TB, and before, in the previous version, these options are not available. So it's a tremendous option related to the performance optimization and performance enhancements related to ESXi 6.7. Here you can see that there are other number of options, but here you can see that fault tolerance is available for different versions of ESXi, but virtual machine virtual memory per virtual machine, here you can see the amount in the both previous versions are same, 64 GB, but when we talk about the 6.7, it's amazing. Now virtual memory per virtual machine can be up to 128 GB. So it's a tremendous feature related to the virtual machine and fault tolerance related to the deployment scenarios in the enterprise industry. Here you can see also virtual CPU supports. Previously we have just only 4 processors or 4 virtual CPUs supported. Right now we have 8. So there are tremendous options. RAM per fault tolerant VM, here you can see that 128 GB. Logical CPUs per host, here 768. So number of options available when we upgrade our existing ESXi from 6.0 or from 6.5 to 6.7. So there are other tremendous options. If you are interested, you can go through the document and you will get all the detailed information with the number of comparison sheets. Here you can see maximum RAM per host. Right now we are talking about the ESXi host. Previously it was 6 TB, and in 6.5 it was 12 TB, but right now it's tremendous. It's right now in ESXi host machine we have 16 TB of RAM supported, which is a huge amount of memory. So when you are preparing for the exam, here is the exam tip for you. When you are preparing for the exam, you must have to go through all these options, because there are a number of questions will be available in the exam related to this comparison sheet. That is the important thing related to the exam. The other important thing related to the industry, when you are preparing yourself for the interview, when you are proposing some kind of project, or if you are going with the client meetings, so you have to be prepared with all these new features related to the ESXi 6.7. So industry is also required this information, and for prepare for the exam, you definitely need all these quick reviews related to the VMware products.